Hello guys, today I will make a tutorial on Louver command in NX CAD. First of all, open NX software, then go to new. Click on new or Ctrl plus and enter with the help of keyboard. After that, new window will open, then go to model and double click on sheet metal. Then go to home and click on sketch. Then choose the plane where you want to work. Suppose I click on right, its color will change. Then click on OK. Then click on profile command or Z enter and draw the sketch. Press scroll or escape enter. Then go to make symmetric or S center. First click there, second click, then third click. Then click on apply, then click on cancel. Then D enter. First click, second click, then third click. First click, second click, then third click. Then double click on this dimension and fill the value as per your choice. Please note. After that, click on finish and zoom with the help of scroll. If you want to fit the sketch, then hold right click the mouse and click on fit. Or you can scroll with the help of mouse. After that, click on contour flange or U enter or go to menu or go to insert. After that, go to bend and go to contour flange. And choose the sketch, and fill the value 200 and choose option symmetric and thickness 3. Then click on OK. Right click on sketch, then go to hide. Then click on sketch and click on face where you want to work. Then click on OK. And zoom the 3D model and draw the line with the help of line command and draw the line where you want to work and give the dimension with the help of rapid dimension or D enter. First click, second click, then third click. After that, click on finish. Now go to Louver or go to menu, go to insert, then go to punch, then Louver. This is Louver and shape, form, Watch this. Now this is value 713. Depth, you click on reverse direction. This is reverse direction. Then click again reverse direction and fill their value. And this is width. Width means you can also give edge blend. Click on more option and choose option this blend Louver and fill the value spot 3. If untick, then Louver without edge blend. This is Louver command. If you learn from this video, then please like, comment and share. Also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks everyone.